Bang, coba gambar sepeda Mas Haymin yang Pinky Boy. Wah, boleh nih. Oke, sebelumnya yang belum follow Tasikin aja di Facebook dan belum subscribe channel YouTube Tasikin aja, kalian jangan lupa ya subscribe dulu biar saya makin semangat upload video setiap hari. And if I throw a bullet, I bet you catch that back up. I told Robbie, how about the feet? I sent him a message. Like, if she got the will, I know we gain weight. What a bro when I'm out, I touch you, we kill it, ain't blocks in the game. Where you going, little nigga, you cannot escape. And if I got the rock, I might pass it like CP to the bank. 41 for the win, I've been scoring them buckets like I'm drumming in. Throw a shot if he's selling for foot, I got bullets like jumping through all of his skin. It's a message to all of the trolls. They don't move with the pros. If I see the shoe, I'ma shoot. I probably gotta think about loot. All the guys I've been feeling like soup. This is the real nigga. Like I've been walking them down like a true. Rubber going, it's like the shoe is a fool. Like there's this on the net. Like I can't watch it in front of you. Like if I can't get a goalie. Shoot, pop, I see him moving like that. Still lipping his walk, hot kitchen, going really God. We take it higher, this part VTG. Crazy, them BG niggas got a cop. AJ be talking too much, he ain't getting away. If he see me, nigga, better duck. We pulling folks in the bluff. He catch baby G, tie him up and throw him in the trunk. If they know I do what I want, every scene from life. He PFA, I let it go. Slide on the beat, I'm trying to see what's up. Like Ray on Jeezy, never on his top. I'm with a full slide, with a 6 if he costa. Leave him in the butt. Ray McDonald's, some back door shit. Nigga, watch who call me a fuck. Standing on business, nobody on that for wrong, we pop up. Got a mask on, can't be seen on that back. Look first when you see me back up. This ain't no regular drill, we get on that for real. Trying to see if they cheat on back up. I don't need what it's smooth, so they deep in the truth. Let's go to shot for the half off. Niggas ain't really out, show niggas die, I got tough for the dude. Let me catch me in trouble. Now it's no time for the fool. Hoodie up, trying to bust on a new one. Fresh and I'm doing it. We get the load on me true. I'm on quiet, I got bad with a new one. Now I'm time to boom it. False touch, rolled in a shooter. Pull up any job, niggas know that we paying for boom. In the spot, I come with the fellas. Red Mac, I handle it back in melon. And if I throw a bullet, I bet you catch that back up. I told Robbie, how about the feet? I sent him a message. Like, she got the will. I know we getting away. What a bro when I'm out, I touch you, we kill it, ain't blocks in the game. Where you going, little nigga, you cannot escape. And if I got the rock, I might pass it like CP to the bank. I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
I'm going through hell. I fake like I'm fine, but I know you can't tell. I fell, my mind overwhelms. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel far more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
That is your chance to be rude.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. Make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up, cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded,